Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're comparing two top contenders in the world of smart vacuums, the Eufy RoboVac X9 Pro versus the iRobot Roomba Combo J7. Let's dive into which one deserves a spot in your home. Eufy RoboVac X9 Pro. Features. The Eufy RoboVac X9 Pro stands out with its dual spinning side brushes and strong suction power of up to 4,000 Pa, making it ideal for deep cleaning carpets and hard floors. It also features LiDAR navigation for precise mapping and obstacle avoidance. Battery life. With a 200-minute runtime on a single charge, it's perfect for larger homes. Smart features. Works with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. The Eufy Home app allows you to set schedules, monitor cleaning status, and more. Price. Mid-range price, offering great value for its performance and features. iRobot Roomba Combo J7. Features. The iRobot Roomba Combo J7 is a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop robot. It's designed to vacuum and mop your floors simultaneously, making it ideal for homes with mixed flooring types. Its precision vision navigation helps it avoid pet accidents and other obstacles. Battery life. The J7 offers up to 120 minutes of cleaning time, but it may require more frequent charging for larger homes. Smart features, compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. The iRobot app allows you to customize cleaning schedules, monitor performance, and more. Price. It's on the pricier side, but offers advanced features like mopping and pet-safe navigation. Which one should you choose? If you're looking for a stronger suction power, longer battery life, and a solid vacuum that focuses on high-performance cleaning, the Eufy RoboVac X9 Pro is your best bet. If you want the versatility of a vacuum and mop combo and need advanced navigation that avoids obstacles like pet messes, the iRobot Roomba Combo J7 is the way to go. That's it for today's Smart Vacuum Showdown. Which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments and make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.